In this video, we are going to see how we can install ADB or Fastboot drivers in Windows 11, 10 or any version of operating system you want. So first of all, if you have typed ADB on the command prompt and it shows that ADB is not recognized, just close out of here and go to Google. Let's open up google.com on your favorite browser and right here, Android platform tools, hit enter, and there you will find developers.android.com. Click on this. It shows the SDK platform tools release notes. Click on that and just scroll down a little bit until you see this download SDK platform tools for Windows. Click on this and make sure when a window opens, for all the terms and conditions, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on I have read and agreed for the above terms and conditions and continue with the download Android SDK platform. And you will notice on the right hand side, it will start downloading it for you. So once that is downloaded, just go to open folder, right click on it because this is a zip file and click on extract all, click OK and it will extract at the same location. Go to this extracted folder, which is this one, platform tools latest Windows. Go to the platform tools and you will have this extracted as a platform tools folder. Just cut it from this location, go to C drive and paste it here. And once you paste it, go in the platform tools folder, go to the platform tools and just copy this particular link from the top. Make sure to copy the complete path. Control C, close out of here, and let's go to advanced system settings. Click on the start menu and right here, advanced system settings. Go to environmental variables, click on path and click edit. Click new and we just paste this part right here. Paste it, click OK and click OK again. OK, close everything. And now let's open the CMD again. Click on the start menu, right here CMD. Right click and run as administrator. Click yes. And if we now try writing ADB, hit enter, it should work for you. Instead of showing an error, it shows all the details for the Fastboot driver and ADB. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.